All right, now that I've gotten my PhD in sports biomechanics at last, here's the top 5 things I learned as part of the journey. The most important thing I've learned from my PhD is the perspective to take when it comes to analyzing movements. We want to take an approach rooted in fundamental mechanics, as well as respecting the specific objectives of the tasks. When you combine fundamental movement mechanics with the task objectives, then we can figure out why certain movements are happening by looking at what forces needs to be generated by the athletes, to accomplish the objectives of the task. The second most important thing I learned in my PhD is the skills of programming, coding, vector algebra, and mathematics. And this will tie into future posts about the importance of directions or vector quantities in biomechanical analysis. Number 3, because I'm part of the scientific community, writing, especially scientific writing, and presentation skills also are very important when it comes to defending my dissertation or presenting at conferences. And fourthly, it's the combination of doing human subject research along with just general scientific studies, because everybody wants to talk about doing a study or doing research until it's time to actually do research. And lastly, the most important skill of them all is that a PhD really trains you to learn new skills. Because not all of the skills I learned were gained from a textbook or even from my professor teaching me, but me figuring out things along the way and creating new knowledge.